Hey guys, how to convert a Word document to PDF? Yeah, so I will show you guys two easy methods to save your Word file as a PDF. So just you can see over here is my screen. You can see my screen. Just search Word. Yeah. Now guys, you can see over here Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. Just hit on that. Now guys, the first method you can just go to File and just select Export, and you can see over here create PDF. So this is the one way. Yeah, you can, this is the one way, and another way is you can again go to file and you can just save a copy and go to desktop and select the PDF. Yeah, guys. So either using the export feature, yeah, the save as option, whether you are preparing any resume or report, just you can go convert a Word document to PDF. Very cute and easy method. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please do let's subscribe my channel. Thank you.